Hey guys, so this is a short YouTube video. I colored my hair recently with the IGORA Royal 20 volume. I purchased these supplies from Amazon and my mom helped me for this portion to do the highlights on the top of my head. Then I did the rest afterwards and my hair looks like this and like this. And this is their birthday present to me. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. I was hand sewing everything. Here's a picture of me on my 28th birthday. Thank you so much, everybody, for all your love and your birthday greetings. I really appreciate it. Along with this, I came out with a Pearly Whites collection for my KLM's Luxey Locks handmade hair scrunchies. So this one is 100% polyester and they are $8 each. Get yours now.